downfall in today's market. Many of you have maybe made money in by trading in futures or maybe in options, and that is the power of derivatives. Whenever market fall, you can also make money with the help of derivatives, especially with futures or maybe with weekly options in Nifty and Bank Nifty. In today's trading session, we have seen a 800 point fall in Bank Nifty and 300 point fall in Nifty index. So this is a possibility move in stock market in a single day. And if you are the part of my Telegram channel, then I have sent one message or one chart, by the way, in the beginning of this fall around 12 in the afternoon, and that's the first signal you can just identify that the market was no more bullish. Yesterday we have seen a good upside momentum, and we have also sent few charts to identify the good breakout on a smaller time frame, and we have seen a good momentum on upside. But today's scenario was very different. Market started with a lighter note, or I would say the sideways note, and then we have seen some ups and downs in morning. Then it has given a very first signal at 12, which I have sent on my Telegram channel. So link into the description. If you are not the part of my Telegram channel, you can subscribe and you can be member of my Telegram channel. I am regularly posting few charts or few stocks chart also in my channel. So this is the way you can analyze price, and you can just identify the market was not bullish and it has given a very good downfall. It could be a possibility to make good money in this kind of market. So in today's session and this video, we are going to learn and identify the levels for the next trading session, few stocks which we are going to analyze for next trading session. So let's jump to the screen.
Hello everyone and welcome to the screen. This is the Bank Nifty spot price chart 15-minute time frame. Here it is a 15-minute time frame, and we have seen a very good downfall in today's trading session, that is the 15th of October. And since the morning we have seen one high here, and many of you have maybe traded of this move, or maybe some of you have not been able to participate in this rally. So that's okay. Market will give you chance again and again. So there is no lack of opportunities in trading, and especially in Bank Nifty. So let's understand today's market first. This is the 15-minute time frame, and this is the first candle of 9:15, and market immediately reversed and going upside and giving a breakout above this high of previous trading session. And then it has given a false breakout and back to the region again. And then we have seen, so first sign of rejection of price we have seen here at this spinning candle. The previously resistance broken out here and back to the false breakout. This is called false breakout, and Bank Nifty again tested the same level and forming a spinning candle. That is one reversal signal, and I have posted this chart of spinning candle into our Telegram group also. So if you are not the part of Telegram channel, link into the description. I am regularly posting this type of charts and particular signals which you can easily identify. So we have seen a good down move in since last 3 candles here, and then again pullback, and then it has forming again one more spinning candle, then bearish candle, and we have seen a good rally on downside. So this is amazing rally on weekly expiry day. So many of you have traded weekly options and made money. If you are not able to make money, then it's okay, you will get chance another time. So this is the moment for today's trading session. So let me now come to the analysis part of daily chart of Bank Nifty. So this is the daily time frame of Bank Nifty, and we have seen there is a good, yesterday was a bullish day, and this is again a bearish engulfing candlestick here with a big body black. This is the bearish engulfing, and last day this is a last engulfing, since this is and this is a last engulfing candlesticks at the rally after a record session count, last engulfing and again bearish engulfing also. And there is a negative divergence, classical negative divergence we have seen on RSI also. That's not a good sign, and we have seen a good momentum on downside. So this is the reason technically we can see we have seen a good sell-off on today's trading session. So we have seen this kind of candlestick pattern earlier here, and after that this top has been sealed, and again when market come to this level, we have seen one more black candle with a big body, so that is not a good sign for bulls. And we have also the RSI is below 60 now. So this is the analysis for bank nifty on daily time frame. So overall we have not able to see a bullish signal on daily time frames. So let's come to the 5-minute time frame to mark the level for next day, that is 16th of October. So let me mark the levels first for today's trading session high. So this is the high, okay, and let me mark the low also. This is here a low, and now we are going to mark the level for important area of support and resistance. For that, we have seen a huge momentum in last trading session and today's trading session. So let me convert to the 15-minute time frame to find out the proper swing area of support and resistance. Okay, so this is the 24,087 was the high in today's trading session, and 22,970 is a low. So let me check the proper level for important area of support on the 30-minute 15-minute time frame. We are here, there is a very good consolidation, and then it has given a breakout. So this is an area the bank nifty has stopped falling down at this area, which is today's low actually. So we are going to mark the important area of support now below this level somewhere here, because here is what some more consolidation we have seen. And if I can take a retracement of this swing, then it is also come to the same level, around the same exactly same level. So let me mark the level first, 22,550. Okay, 22,550, which is combined with this swing also, and this retracement of this move we have seen 161% at this zone, 22,550. This is the area of support, possible area of support for bank nifty. So let me check the the resistance for tomorrow's trading session. We have seen a good momentum upside yesterday and the momentum downside. So we are going to mark the level in between this area, because this is a huge momentum. So let me again take a retracement of this high to this low. The 61% come near 23,670. So let me mark the level 22,670. So this is the possible area of resistance for bank nifty for tomorrow's trading session, that is 16th of October. So I'm going to again write down the levels here, so it will be easy for you also. The resistance, important resistance is at 23,670 spot level, and the important support is at 22,550. Let me make it a bold. So this is the important area of support and resistance for tomorrow's trading session. Okay, so let me check the Nifty index now. And we have seen a good properly we have marked the area of resistance, and Nifty index open at the same level, open high is also same, rejection of price we have seen at this area. So it is a probable resistance zone we have seen in Nifty, and the fall has been started since the very first candle, and entire day we have seen a good downside momentum. So let me mark the level for today's trading session high and low first. So 11,661 is the area of high, and let me mark the high here, which is around 12,025. Okay, so this is the area we have marked, and now let me mark the level for important area of support and resistance. Again, we are going to check on 15-minute time frame, because today is a very huge momentum. So let me check the level of support again. Okay, and we have seen this is a conjunction of consolidation here, and then price has started moving up. So it could be a possibly support area, but we are also confirming with the Fibonacci. So 161% is near to this zone and 261 is very far. So let me check again one more here. This is a probable move. So let me convert to the 5-minute time frame. So we can easily mark on the chart. This is a small, and now I am again converting to the 15-minute time frame for easy of the retracement to find out. So that is the reason, and the 261% near to this consolidation exactly. So let me mark the level here first. 11,600 is the probable area of support for Nifty index. Okay, and the resistance we are going to check again with the price retracement, and important area of resistance we are going to mark at the 50% here. This time we are not focusing for 61%, but 11,840. So let me write down the levels of support and resistance. So resistance is comes around 11,850 and support is near 11,600. So this is the level for tomorrow's trading session. So let me check few stocks for next day. So the very first stock we have selected is IndusInd Bank. So this is a 15-minute time frame on IndusInd Bank, and we have seen, okay, and this is the probable area of support here has been broken out here, and again the small support zone is intact here. So this is a bearish counter. If this breaks this 590 support zone, then this could be a possible short sell for next day. So 590, below 590 IndusInd Bank is a short sell. Keep your stop loss above this swing high somewhere here. Keep your moving average or resistance also you can take as a sub. Or if it is not breaking directly and giving a bounce back, then short sell this near this moving average resistance. So it will be a shorting trade, bearish trade for tomorrow's trading session, and expecting a downfall. If this level of support has been broken out, then expecting a downfall around this big bullish candle somewhere here around 570 or 575. Okay, so next stock we have selected is Wipro, and we have selected Wipro as a buy stock because we have seen good support zone intact in this counter, and here it is this is the gap area, and the gap area will act as an important area of support. So keep your stop loss for this counter around the 336 and expecting a bounce here in this counter. So take it as a bullish stock Wipro for tomorrow's trading session. So these are the probable bet for tomorrow's trading session, and I hope you like the way we analyze the proper index and particular stocks. And if you are not a part of my YouTube channel, you can subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, you can hit the like button. Wait for another video.